Hello students, in this video we'll learn some of the more new terminology related to exponents. In class 7 you have learned about exponent and powers and you have learned so many laws related to it. So here we'll learn some of the new terms that are related to exponents. So let's take the first example. Suppose we'll take a to the power m by n. Suppose a to the power m by n. Can I write it as a to the power m whole to the power 1 by n? Yes, because we have learned in class 7 that x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. So this m by n can be written as m into 1 by n. So that can be written as a to the power m to the power 1 by n. Now when it is 1 by n, when the power is, suppose when you are writing 5 to the power 1 by 2, what is the meaning of it? Square root of 5. When you are writing 5 to the power 1 by 3, what is the meaning of it? That is cube root of 5. Similarly, when it is a to the power m whole to the power 1 by n, the meaning is nth root of a to the power m. That means this 1 by n is representing the nth root, which can be represented like this. This is the nth root of a to the power m. Now, this n is called the index. This n is called the index, and this a to the power m, this a to the power m is called the radicand, and this entire term is known as what? Radical. This entire term is known as radical. N is called the index. A to the power m is called the radicand. And this value, this n, the value of n is always positive. So these are the three new terms that you have learned. One is index, one is radical, and one is radicand. Now, a to the power m by n, this is the exponential form. A to the power m by n, this is the exponential form. And nth root of a to the power m, this is the radical form. Although both are having the same value, they are only the different in form. This one is exponential form and this one is called radical form. So let's take an example and see it. Suppose we'll take the example cube root of 21. Suppose cube root of 21. Here 3 is the index, 21 is the radicand, and the entire term is the radical. Entire term is the radical. Let's take one more example. Suppose cube root of 3 to the power 2, suppose. That means 3 is the index, 3 to the power 2 is the radicand, and the entire term is known as radical. So what will be the exponential form of this? This is the radical form. So what will be the exponential form? 3 to the power 2 as it is. Then as it is the cube root, that is 3 written here. So it will go to the denominator of the power. So it is 1 by 3. Am I clear? So let's take the next example. Suppose here 7th root of 4 to the power 9. 7th root of 4 to the power 9. This is the radical form. So what is the exponential form of this? The exponential form of this is 4 to the power 9 as it is. Then to the power 1 by 7. Then it will be reduced to 4 to the power 9 into 1 by 7. So is equal to 4 to the power 9 by 7. Similarly, this one 3 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 3 you have taken. This one will be solved as 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 3. Then it is 3 to the power 2 by 3. So this is the exponential form. This is the radical form. This is the radical form and this is the exponential form. Okay. So 4 to the power 9 is the radicand. 7 is the index. The entire term is known as radical. And this one is something to the power something is given. So this is the exponential form.